Hey guys, welcome back to I didn't know. But hey guys, welcome back to
Another video of another video.
Shut up! Another video. And today I don't know. We're gonna like do random stuff because and I wanted to play on the drum because I'm at my house, not on my dad's. I usually make videos at my dad's, but I'm at my house right now.
Yeah, we just later today we came back from Dad's.
Yeah, and I decided to record really more. Don't judge. Yeah. Rares over buddies. This person, I'm gonna block them. No, joking. They are kind of not. Like, always prefer buddies over rares. Because rares over buddies. Okay, guys. Rares are not over buddies. Rares are under buddies. Because buddies, you actually know or like talk to. Like, shh. You actually talk to. And yeah. So she said she's still young, don't want no man. And she's young, call everyone to play. That sounds. So guys, this is my buddy. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting my my long on chain, seeing what offers I get. And guys, these are really popping, like. These are like really trendy. Because it's non-member Flower Crown. Brownie. Oh yeah, this is also the giveaway that I'm gonna be hosting. Oh, by the way, oh my god, thank you so much for 131 or 2 views. It might go up, so I'm not saying, but it went up in like less than 2 minutes. It was amazing. Thank you. It's like the most views I've ever got. So, it's just some play. Okay. Well, I'm gonna trade for the headdress because
I will watch you play it.
yeah. Welcome my sister to the Pro channel. This is the Pro. Who texted me? Who was? Oh, okay.
See, now I'm gonna be start joining Animal Jam.
She said she's too young. Wait. Wait, someone texted me. Oh my god. It's Brady. It's like. Yeah. India. Alright. India! Okay, sorry, I had to text her. Right. This is going to be the best offer I've ever done in my whole entire life. Why? Why did you have to text me when I'm right in the middle of a video?
Do you know, but you like, do you get like, you like going different when you talk more?
Yeah.
Like, why are you texting me?
Like,
That's really weird.
We don't really.
Mommy.
My leg, you're not doing that again.
Mommy.
Bye guys, so
That's
so
what I
about
do every night.
I know. I can hear you every single fucking night.
I'm talking to them.
Oh.
What are you going to call them?
I'm gonna treat them this. I know it's not.
Are you going to
Really?
call them the AJs?
I know. Yeah, I know they're gonna decline because I like too rare for my rares. That's like the most annoying
He wants
screen
more.
on AJ.
He wants more.
I know.
Get more than theirs.
How? I'm not that rare. My only rare is like my only good rare is my own color.
Trade that.
I traded.
Trade all
Look
your
at that.
theirs.
Stop. I got beans.
Trade all your theirs.
No. It's like it takes ages.
What?
Look at all these rares. Oh crap. Oh god. She said she's doing it. That's disgusting.
She said you
Oh yes! That was adorable. She's texting me. My little pony. Sorry. Oh, stupid Wi-Fi. Right. I mean, stupid thing. By the way, I am recording an Animal Jam video. Haha. And you text me. It's
Mr.
okay,
Kelsey, stop
'cause
it.
I'm only one.
I need to do something with it.
No! Two then whatever.
Yeah.
Pass it me here and I'll give you.
Can I choose?
Yeah, what? By the way, I'm recording an Animal Jam video.
Red
And
and
you
red.
can text me.
Two reds.
What's alright?
Two reds.
Two reds. I've only got like.
I want some.
Okay, you can have a purple one. So I sent the message to my friends, and it said that you freaking read. Oh, so I said, by the way, I'm recording an Animal Jam video. And you text me, but it's okay. And she said, oh, okay, so it's okay. LOL.
Me.
Is, oh, yeah.
Oh,
what just
they're changing them. No. They're stupid.
No, that's a black. What's my YouTube channel like? My AJ Pro AJ. My God, this video is a fail.
Is yours a gaming channel?
The Animal Jam channel.
I'm gonna have a YouTube account when I'm 9, or maybe I'm gonna make one tomorrow, yeah? And it's gonna be called
Oh my God!
Miley and
What? Stop it now.
Gaming Miley.
Gaming Miley, wow.
Is that a good name?
name?
Miley Gaming?
Help me. Oh, Miley's Games. Miley's Games. That's a great name. Okay, LOL, YouTube is AJ Pro AJ. So guys, make sure to like this video and comment down below. For the giveaway, I will be hosting. I sound like a Pori. A Pori clip. You don't even know because you don't even play. Guys, go spam buddies with
Me.
Let's go to my done. Go spam buddies with this person. Go spam buddies with Miley because she's a non-member.
I have another account, but don't get that on the way because I like Oreo.
No, I'm not giving away your account. I'm just saying buddy it.
Yeah, go buddy it.
Go buddy Miley 2014 because she's my sister and she's sitting right next to me. She's been online for about 7 days. And she doesn't play Animal Jam anymore. Have you played?
No, I just play Animal Jam when we're at Dad's sometimes.
Yeah.
Or, Misha, after your video, yeah, can I make a video? And you watch me play Animal Jam on my account? and get
No, my
and
channel.
play some games. You can
My
tell me what to
channel.
do. You can tell me what to do.
No.
Please.
No.
I'm going to after you then.
No.
Yes.
Stop.
Ew.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to go to this terrible den.
I know it's terrible.
Where'd you get the mirror from?
Don't know.
This thing.
Oh,
I'm gonna steal off I'm gonna hack your account and steal it. JK, I'm not.
That's why I read stories.
What the hell?
I'm making a music video.
I never knew no member.
Yep. I want membership.
Sorry about my stupid click. It really hurts my fingers. Stop! Oh shit, near your table. Stop!
Sit on my table.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on your table because I'm a rebel. Guys, everybody hates me at school.
Do some art. Do some art.
No. Make sure to go subscribe to my channel. If I get one more subscriber or two, then I will be hosting a massive Zone Beta giveaway. So, yeah. Make sure to get them to 5 likes, 5 subscribers, and 5 views, and 5 likes. Let's get everything to 5 on this video. That's my goal.
Or 10.
Or 10, don't know. But,
Any number.
like,
1 to 10.
comment, and subscribe to become a pro today.
And
I'll see you guys next time.